Are you ready to unlock the power of positive thinking? Imagine a life filled with endless possibilities, where your dreams become your reality. That's exactly what The Secret by Rhonda Byrne explores. The self-help book reveals the law of attraction, a principle that suggests positive thoughts and feelings can attract positive experiences and outcomes into your life. How does it work? It's simple, like attracts like. When you focus on positive thoughts, you will attract positive outcomes. On the other hand, negative thoughts can attract negative outcomes. The Secret outlines 3 steps to harness the law of attraction: asking, believing, and receiving. First, clearly define what you want. Ask the universe for your desires and be specific. Second, have unwavering faith that what you desire is already yours. Believe with all your heart and trust in the process. And finally, be open to receiving what you have asked for. The universe is ready to deliver, so be receptive to the opportunities that come your way. To reinforce your positive mindset, visualization and positive affirmations are powerful tools. Visualize yourself already living your dreams and repeat affirmations that support your goals. This will keep your focus strong and guide you towards success. Another key aspect of The Secret is the power of gratitude. By practicing gratitude, you can amplify positive energy and attract more good things into your life. Appreciate what you already have and watch abundance flow in. While The Secret has inspired countless individuals, it has also faced criticism for oversimplifying complex life situations. It's important to remember that positive thinking alone cannot solve all problems. However, it can be a catalyst for change and open doors to new opportunities. So are you ready to unlock the power of positive thinking? Dive deeper into The Secret and discover how you can attract the life you truly desire. Embrace the law of attraction and watch as your dreams become your reality.